guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this BOSCIA Exfoliating Peel Gel. So I love BOSCIA. They use a combination of plant-based products and science to create fantastic facial care. Super easy to use. You just go ahead and after you've cleansed and dried your face, you pump out onto your hand. Just use a small amount and then just rub in circles around your face, avoiding eyes and lips. So you can just go ahead. And you can feel it's like a little kind of gritty the more you rub because you are taking off that layer of dead skin. So you don't have to press very hard or anything like that. You just go along and you can see right here that it's just taking off that skin. So feels really good. Smells really nice. It doesn't have a strong scent, but the scent it has is just kind of like a clean kind of smell. I always don't want to wash it off because it feels so nice taking off all that horribleness. And there we have it. My skin feels fantastic. It has taken off that layer of gunk that I felt like I had on, so I love it. I love this product. I love BOSCIA. I've been using them for years and years and years, and I will continue to use them because they just keep making such fantastic products at such fantastic prices. So I love it. I got my little clip in here so I don't accidentally pump it again while I'm putting it away, and then there we go. I 100% recommend this. I think females, males, anyone can use this on their skin, and it's just great. My skin feels fantastic. I'm gonna go and relax for the rest of the night and enjoy my nice, beautiful, soft skin. So that is my point of view.